Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can disable YouTube restricted mode on your Android device. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel. Okay, so to turn off restricted mode on the YouTube mobile app, first open up the YouTube app on your mobile device, then tap your profile icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. Next, select Settings. Now tap General. Then scroll down and then you'll see the second from bottom option is restricted mode. So this helps to hide potentially mature videos. No filter is 100% accurate. This setting only applies to this app on this device. So you need to toggle that one on to turn on restricted mode. To turn it back off again, tap the toggle, and when it goes from blue to grey, restricted mode is now turned off. And as I mentioned before, this setting only applies to this app on this device. So if you're logged into the YouTube app on other devices, you'll need to do this for each device that you actually use. And that's what it takes to disable YouTube restricted mode on your mobile device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.